bago sa Milo Ambassadors, like the babies, Kuya Chris, Ate Ate Heidi. So I am very honored to be here today alongside these champions. Very inspiring in their sport and very down-to-earth and humble and amazing people. And I just love that Milo stands for this because despite them being very amazing in all their fields, they're still very kind and amazing people. And I love that about Milo. So my journey began when I was 6 years old. So yung kwento ni Miss Bea a while ago with her kids into sports, similar rin sa akin because my father, Sam Boyden, legend sa basketball. And so they expected me to be amazing in sports also. And my mother naman, Darlene Berberabe, she's also very intelligent, so cum laude din, president ng Pag-ibig. Ang gagaling nila both. And I'm their only daughter, only child. So, all the time I'd be asked, pressured ka ba to be as amazing as them, as smart, as... I would be asked that a lot, pero you know, growing up, I never felt that from them, just like how Bea was sharing a while ago. And I love that. But they did enroll me in sports, wala rin akong choice. Because when I was 6 years old, I was in the Milo Sports Clinic ng karate. And I remember, for 3 years, talo ako ng talo. Like, I really did not win in karate. I did not want to train as a 6-year-old. But my mom and dad said, no, you don't get to just watch TV sa weekends. You have to train, you have to be active, and you have to do sports. And so I did. And up to this day, I'm very thankful that they forced me to do that. Because I learned so many things in sports that couldn't be learned in the classroom, like you say. So for 3 years, talo ako ng talo, but I just trained, I just stayed the course. My mom and my dad would talk to me, they would say, just keep trying, keep training, just do your best, and it will follow. And so I won my first competition in SM Mega Mall, a Milo Sports Clinic event. It was called the Milo Super Karate Kids Competition. That was my first goal. Tingin ko chamba lang yun. Parang 0-0 lang kami, so the referee had to make a decision. Nanalo ako. And then everything changed. Kasi since then, sabi ko, okay, kaya ko pala manalo. And then nag-changing attitude ko. I was more focused. I said, okay, hard work, it works. Discipline, sacrifice. Kayang manalo. And so after that, I trained harder. And slowly but surely, nag-gold na ako in local competitions. Then later on in international competitions. And then nag-national team ako in 2019. And it was my first SEA Games. And I won the gold. And I'm so happy. And I remember the feeling of my first gold. It was that special also, yung SEA Games na yun. And that's why I continued and continued. But not only in sports, I also learned how to be a good student through Milo, I would say. I was not the brightest kid in elementary, pero my mom would always talk to me kapag lumabas yung report card. Sasabihin niya, I think you can do better. She tutors me and she sees my potential, but she said it didn't translate to grades. Maybe I should focus more. So that's what I did in high school. I graduated with honors, and then I went to UP, which is my dream school. And then idol ko si mom, so I wanted to graduate summa cum laude. And so I put in the work in college like I did in sports, how I learned because of Milo. And ayun, so nag-graduate ako ng summa, and later on I did my master's na I just finished sa London Imperial College. And I attribute that to that journey that I've been through when I was 6 years old. So I would not be the person I am today without this. So thank you so much. I love to be part of this family. I love what Milo stands for as a brand. To bring out the champion in you, to just do your best and work hard all the time. And again, I love to be surrounded with amazing people and kind-hearted people. And I feel like that's the most important thing. So thank you for this. Thank